This is the abstract. Without going to any other window, I have read the abstract over about this paper and find this is a useful. I have added into my collection. So similarly, I will go to the another paper. So this is how it will work. You will study that particular article, take dot by dot, so you can see their abstract, find the relevant information. If you find it useful, you can add into the, so you can say, see that it is cited by 22 papers. So you can add it into your collection if you find it useful. So now the next step is to find out the relevant paper related to your research. So this is your main paper and the all paper which are the relevant. So we find these papers are the most relevant to our research interest. We add them into our edit collection. So now the next step we will go to the discover and we'll start with new search. So I will import from a library workshop 2 and I will select all the paper that I have selected and add into my collection. So add 7 input. These are the 7 input. So basically the LitMed algorithm is automatically set to the top connected. The co-authorship and the semantic search are both are the paid features, but it can give you the search with the 220 up to the 25 articles. So you can have a more filters that are the paid feature. That paid feature you can go to upgrade your plan, for example, keyword and database. So find the relevant articles. So this is how it will show you. So these orange dots show the paper you choose to discover, and these are shows the paper relevant are the related to your search. If I go back to search again, I will show you again the ring format. Add 7 input, top connected, and 5 the black dart articles in that form. So you can see these are the paper that you give you as an input for discover the related paper. The paper which is present inside the ring, and the outside the ring the paper is a present that are the most relevant to your paper. So you can check that paper is relevant to this articles. This article, you can check this paper is only relevant to this, and this article. Check step by step. This paper is only relevant to this tank paper. So this tank paper is relevant to all these paper. So this is the whole network base. So you can add a simple one step. So you can select one paper. It will create a bibliography of this paper like 027, 027. You can read that particular paper abstract if you find it useful by reading a summary. You can add into your workshop collection. Okay, so you can check, you can see that it is 163 reference and 45 citation. So this is the 1032 citations. So you can see this is a highly cited paper that are most relevant to your research topic. So this is how the literature works. Literature mapping tool works. you can find the most relevant information in one window that are most relevant to your paper. Either it is published before the published paper or after your published data. So you can collect all your relevant information in one step, so you can read it later on. So this is how you explore all the research paper step by step, which are the most relevant after reading it, and add to your collection. So you find the your collection by going to your library. This is your workshop, your your papers. So you can find out all the relevant paper that you added uh, in your paper. So in the third window, we will discuss about the paper poll. So PaperPal is a paid tool. It will might costly, but it will worth it. That it is very good tool that can be useful for yourself. So uh, one feature that Paperpal lack is uploading feature. Paperpal don't have a upload option, so you have to copy paste your article or you have to download your MS Word extension. So I have showed you on the web page, like I have already submit a paper into the Paperpal, so you can see the working site. So you can see the language suggestion 31 sentence study for review. So these are the problems that I might be facing right now. So I will check it, review it, and add it later on. So I can have a synonyms, language suggestion. I can have a synonyms. So these are the translator tools, and this is a competency. These are consistency checking. So if I find any consistency during my research paper, and this is Copilot that I can generate with it. I can paraphrase it. For example, if I select the process, I can generate a paraphrase. So I can either read it or I can regenerate it or I can replace it with this particular paragraph. So I didn't regenerate or replace it. I just remain it. That this is my original text. So this is a trim the best option. You can ask to trim the text. So this trim the text and give me the relevant option. So trim by nine word is trimmed from the original text. So you can see that. So again, the academic tool, you can generate outlines, research article, case, essay, statement of purpose, title, abstract, keyword, summary, study highlight, email to journal. Or you can ask any relevant question to the paper call, ask for advice, understand research matter, and improve your research purposes. This is how a paper call is designed for a complete research writing process and completely different from the grammar from the paper call. If I show you a plagiarism checking part, this is how you can check plagiarism check. This is from side. So, so you have to accept the term and condition views. So you can upload your file and check your plagiarism with the help of the turn. So another option that is submission check process, which I explained to you that your manuscript is ready for submission. So you can have a demo from here. So you can upload your manuscript here, and it will give you a suggestion that this might be changing required from your manuscript to ready for your submission process. So this is the paper call. So in the next step, we will go for the chain. Com. When Journal Finder. So this is the Journal Finder option. You just copy paste here your data. For example, uh, I will copy paste my abstract over here, original text. Uh, this is the whole abstract. I will copy paste here. So I will find the journals. So it will give me a high confidence, high quality open access paper, or this is a index and PMC. So article pay is at 0.8. So it will show the article that are relevant article to your paper that is already published into this a journal. So you can hide it. So you can get to check it uh, to drug delivery. So you can go copy paste the drug delivery. So you can copy paste into the Google and find out the relevant journal about this journal. So you have a complete list about this. So this is how the chain explore a relevant journal for your article. So that's all from my side.